But I am also a businessman. I have come over here as an academician, come businessman. I would like to understand from you how much of business you can give. He said, very nice question you have asked. Nobody asked us this question. I said, I am not mind to basically invest up to 10 crores provided I know what is my ROI, what is my return on investment. They said, fine, very nice. So give us 4 days time, we'll work out what type of machines at what cost and how much of the revenue we can get. So they gave us a list after a week time, and in which they have told us, okay, fine, if you have these types of testing facilities, we are going to give you revenue to a higher extent. So 3 categories they made: high, medium and low. So I picked up the high and medium part, and into that high and medium we decided what is the first machine that we are going to install at our university end. And finally, therefore, he told me, sir, if you are going to install this machine costing 2.5 crores, in 1.5 years time, this machine is going to be what? Free. So this is what is required, friends, and moment we went over there, now we are also looking in for, because it's a big base of aluminium. So we are planning to go to this Vedanta Aluminium, we are planning to go to Nelco and many of these aluminium industries, so that once we create this facility out over here, because under World Bank, this university has got a project which is called as Common Instrumentation Facility, CIF. Right? So under that we have got somewhere around 10 crores of grant. 19 crores मिला है, उसमें से कुछ नॉन सिविल है और कुछ सिविल है, प्लस हमारा इक्विपमेंट्स है. तो जो इक्विपमेंट ग्रांट है, I just want to devote and what completely dedicate to setting up of the lab which can help this university to start earning what the revenue. So ये छोटा सा एक काम, जो एक छोटा सा एक initiative हम as a university लेने जा रहे हैं, I think this is definitely going to create what big benefit for what for this Sambalpur University. और इस तरह के बहुत सारे initiative हैं, but मैं आप लोगों से ये गुजारिश करूँगा that you also come forward and help us in terms of giving such type of ideas, so that we are in a position to work what together, right? It is being said that if we create a team and somebody said, what is this team? Together everyone achieves more. And if together we can think of doing something, I think we will definitely end by what? Doing some more and more laurels for what? For this particular university. This university has become the first university to have the online migration, right? This university very soon is going to become the first university to have the e-office, right? This university is going to be again the first university to have all the certificates and what all the documents of the students in NAD, National Academic Depository, right? This university has also been talked about a lot by the government in terms of what? Giving lot of e-resources. More and more e-resources, I think we will further increase our what? Research base, and more what? The articles, as a result of which I think we will be in a position